Hello, children. I'm Kritika, your English educator, and today we are doing from our book Purvi, grade 6, last part of our chapter, A Bottle of Dew. This part is very knowledgeable and it's fun also. You're going to learn something new and something which is amazing. So, let's see. Okay, read aloud the following words from the story. So, these are the words, but now here is a twist. When we read the words, we'll find that twist. Sage, promising, wisdom, trees, surprise. अब देखो, when I say the word sage, sage में s की जो साउंड है बेटा वो स की साउंड आ रही है, करेक्ट? s की साउंड आ रही है. प्रॉमिसिंग में भी साउंड किसका है? s का साउंड है. विजडम, विज, what sound do you have? S or Z? We have the sound of Z here. Z. We have the sound of Z. Trees, again, Z sound. ठीक है? Surprise. Now here I have the sound of S, but here I have the sound of Z. Okay, so this is all the game of pronunciation. That's how we learn to pronounce things in a better way if we learn these things. So all these words have the letter S in them, but the sound of the letter S is not always the same. So it is not always sir. It can be different. Okay, that's what I've told you just now. In sage and promising, the letter S has the S sound. But in wisdom, we have S sound as Z, so is in tree, and so is in surprise. Surprise, the first letter says S, sir sound, whereas the second S says Z sound. Okay? Moving on. Now speak each word clearly along with your teacher and classmates. Your teacher will now say some words. Listen carefully to the sounds of S. Write the sound next to the word. If I'm say beds, S, beds, beds. Okay? Sound is Z. Sand, S. Clothes, S. Sea, S. Was, Z. Keys, Z. Bags, Z. Nose, Z. Right? So these are the words. Few words have S sound and few words have Z sound. Okay? Let's see. Discuss the following questions with a partner. You may use the hints given in the bracket while speaking. Now, every time we make sentences, what do we want from you? I want from you to frame your own sentences. Now, generally, what do we face is, Kritika ma'am, I know how should I make the entire paragraph. But what I don't know is, how should I begin with? अगर मैं एक letter लिख रही हूँ to the principal, how should I begin with? So, what we need to understand is how to begin with something and how to end it in a nicer way. Fine. So here the questions, they're giving you that beginning for you to understand how to start that sentence and how to then carry forward your entire content. Clear? Let's see. What does hard work mean to you? आपके लिए मेहनत क्या है? आपके लिए hard work का क्या मतलब है? Now how can you start these sentences? It means, and so on. Or you can say it is something, then you can write, well, you see, then you can write, or what I mean is, and then you can write. So these are few words or few phrases given to you. That's how you can begin with your sentence. ठीक है? देखो. Next is, what does hard work mean to you? अब देखो, I chose this one. मैंने ये वाला लिया. ठीक है? I said it means putting effort and dedication to achieve a goal. What does hard work means to me? It means to put efforts and show our dedication to achieve the goal. ठीक है? That's how you begin with the sentence and that's how you write the entire answer. Got it? Give 3 reasons why you think hard work is important. Now you have to give 3 reasons that why hard work is important to you. Now see, again the hints are given to us here. Fine. Using these, make 3 different sentences. Chaliye, let's see. Firstly, I feel hard work helps us develop discipline and time management skills. So first, I've used this one. Firstly, I feel, then secondly, what you feel, and then lastly, I believe. Okay? So that's how I said, first I think this, second I think this, and third I think this. So that's how you can make 3 sentences. Got it? That's how hence helps us. Secondly, I think it leads to a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Lastly, or thirdly, or finally, I believe hard work is essential for success in any field. कि अगर मुझे सक्सेस चाहिए तो हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा. Got it? So that's how we begin with our sentences. Got it? Okay. Share 3 ideas you would give to someone who need to work hard. अब ये आप खुद फ्रेम करोगे. आपको किसी को 3 आइडियाज देने हैं कि कैसे हार्ड वर्क स्टार्ट करना है या कैसे हार्ड वर्क करना चाहिए या क्या हार्ड वर्क करने से होता है. Got it? So again, the beginning is given to us. To begin with, अब आपको 3 ideas देने हैं तो मैं start कैसे करूंगी? To begin with, you should do hard work. You should start doing this and then this, and then secondly, you should do this, and finally, I would suggest you should do this. Fine. So this is how your beginnings are given to you. Okay. Okay. To begin with, it is important that you set clear goals and break them down into smaller steps. अब मैं किसी को बता रही हूं कि हार्ड वर्क शुरू कैसे करना है. तो मैंने क्या बताया? दैट आपको अपना पहले गोल क्लियर होना चाहिए कि मेरा गोल क्या है, एंड देन उसको स्मॉल स्टेप्स में ब्रेक करो और काम करना शुरू करो. Next, you could create a study or work schedule to organize your time effortlessly or effectively. मतलब आप क्या करो, आपका शेड्यूल बन गया या आपका गोल सेट हो गया, आपके छोटे स्टेप्स सेट हो गए. अब आप क्या करोगे, आप अपने स्टडी का या अपना कोई भी काम जो आपको अकम्प्लिश करना है, you need to make a schedule of it, you need to make a pattern of it, or you need to make a timetable for that, and then you start following that. Finally, I think you should reward yourself for achieving milestone to stay motivated. Finally, जो मुझे अचीव करना था वो अगर अचीव हो गया है तो मुझे खुद को इनाम देना चाहिए. I should give myself some prize or a treat so that I get motivated. Got it? So that's how we do it. Fine. Moving on. Work in pairs to complete the description of a banana. You may take the help of the words given in the bracket. Share your answers with your classmates. See, this is a banana. You need to write few things about banana. You need to complete the sentence and then you can discuss with your friends. See, healthy. Banana is healthy because it gives energy, rich in vitamins, stores fats, then it's filling and it's good for skin. So what you can say, eating bananas are very healthy is why? Because eating banana gives us energy. Also, it is rich in vitamins. It also stirs fat in your body, and after you eat bananas, you feel full. You feel filled. ठीक है, and it is also very very good for the skin. ठीक है, so मैंने क्या किया? I used this particular bunch. I used this box and I've made a entire paragraph out of it. ठीक है, in the same way, when I like to eat banana, कब मुझे खाना पसंद है? At the breakfast or during the break or after the school. आप चूज करो, सेंटेंस बनाओ. इसका टेस्ट कैसा होता है आप डिसाइड करोगे, स्वीट या सावर, सॉल्टी, बिटर, क्रीमी या स्पाइसी, में से क्या होता है. कलर ऑफ द आउटर कवरिंग एंड फ्रूट, इसके आउटर कवरिंग का कलर क्या होता है वो आप चूज कर लो. स्मेल कैसी होती है इसकी, वो यहाँ ऑप्शंस दिए हुए, वो चूज कर लो. फिर आउटर कवरिंग को जब आप टच करते हो तो कैसा टेक्सचर आता है, कैसी फीलिंग आती है, वो यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है. सो दैट्स हाउ, अब इनमें से आप सब कुछ चूज कर लो एंड देन मेक एन एंटायर पैराग्राफ व्हिच टेल्स यू अ लॉट अबाउट bananas. So that's how you also learn to make sentences, and also you can discuss with your friends about banana. See, I like to eat a banana during the breakfast. It has a fruity and sweet smell. Bananas are healthy because they give energy. The outer covering feels smooth to touch. The taste is sweet and creamy. The outer covering is yellow. The fruit inside is white. Bananas are filling and good for the skin. तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने to make these 8 sentences, I have used these hints and I have converted these hints into few sentences about bananas. ठीक है, understood? चलिए, moving on. On the basis of the story, A Bottle of Dew, develop a script with dialogues and enact with expression present in it in the classrooms or in the assembly. So now what you can do is, you have read the chapter, ठीक है, बनानास को लेकर मेक अ डायलॉग बॉक्स. यू हैव रेड द कॉमिक बुक्स. कॉमिक बुक्स में ऊपर वो डायलॉग बबल होता है जिसमें कोई कुछ बोल रहा है, कोई कुछ बोल रहा है, कोई कुछ बोल रहा है. ऐसे ही बनानास को लेकर मेक अ डायलॉग बॉक्स, मेक अ कॉन्वर्जेशन, एंड यू कैन हैव दैट इन योर असेंबली, और यू कैन डिस्कस विद योर फ्रेंड्स, और यू कैन टेल टू योर क्लास टीचर, यू कैन प्ले अ स्किट इन द क्लास. ठीक है, इट विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ fun. चलिए, moving on. Find out the variety of bananas which are grown, cultivated and eaten in different parts of India. बनानास के बारे में पता लगाते हैं, टाइप्स ऑफ बनानास, कहाँ कहाँ पे ग्रो होते हैं, कैसे प्लांटेशन होती है. ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट मोर अबाउट इट. You can find information about them from this website. So here is the link of the website given, where you can find a lot about bananas, a lot of information about bananas. But here I want to give you one beautiful information about banana. Just look at this banana. It's beautiful, right? I just want to take it out from the picture and I just want to eat it. And the lovely part of this banana is, let's read. There is a special kind of banana called blue Java. This banana has got this name from its blue skin. See how beautiful the skin is. You know? It is also known as ice cream banana. Why? As it is so creamy and tastes like ice cream. Oh, I would love to eat this. It is grown in the Southeast Asia and Hawaii. These are the places. These banana plants grow to a height of 15 to 20 feet. ये जो banana plant होता है वो around 15 to 20 feet grow करता है. The banana is blue in color. It tastes amazing. It is also called ice cream banana. Is why? Because it almost tastes like ice cream because it's too creamy and it's lovely. Okay, so next time you go to Hawaii, or if there is anyone from your relatives who's coming from there, just ask them to get this banana for you. And if you get this, try to share with me as well. Okay, next year, these are the few varieties of banana. Robusta commonly is grown in Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. Then Nendran, popular in Kerala. Rasthali, which is cultivated in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Puvan, which is found in Tamil Nadu and Bihar. And Monthan, which is grown in Odisha and West Bengal. See, only India may we have variety of bananas. Just think about the entire world. So just go on that link, find a lot about bananas. Here we are done with our chapter Bottle of Dew. I'm going to meet you in the next chapter. Till then, bye.